How to unsend Facebook Messenger message. Just you have to install the Facebook Messenger app from your Play Store. When you have to install it, just you have to open it on your phone. Select any of the chat which you want, that any of the text you want or any of the message you want to unsend to that person you have sent it by mistake. Just you have to open the chat of the person. Select any of the message which you want to unsend. Hold on the message. Select a message that you want to unsend. You can send unsend different messages at the same time by selecting different messages. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. I have to select any of the message which I want to unsend. I have to click on the remove. Here you can see two options, remove for you or unsend. When I have to click on unsend, you can see your message will be unsent on Messenger. Thank you so much. This procedure is for both Android as well as for iPhone. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.